Hey guys, this is Jesse, the Sandu Davenport, come from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take you to the new Legacy Arctic Fox. It's a new model for them, new colors. This was a 2020. First off, you look at the different color and the different graphics. Now they come with, in this particular one, comes with frameless windows. You come around here on the side, they've changed the color of the jacks. You got your big tanks here. You come around the back, everything's all black. The patio, all this stuff is black. They got a big giant light up back. Speakers outside. You want to go ahead and come inside here and take a look at the inside. This one has solar, air conditioning. So they got the big slide and they changed the interior a little bit. You got TV up above in this one with the fan up there. Lots of storage on both sides of the bed. There's a lot of things to go over on these. Real thick roof here you can see up there if you look above up here. And this has the arch roof. A shower in here, big shower with the skylight, the fan in there. There's a lot of things we can talk about. You give me a call, my number's on the screen there, or my cell phone's 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.